everybody, John here again, and in the garage we've had a bit of a disaster. We've had some really bad weather recently, hurricane winds, blizzards, snow, all the rest of it, and there's a hole at the back of the garage under the eaves that lets the wind in, and there's a hole over the roller door, so it's been a bit of a wind tunnel in here, and just a few cushions and bits of foam blew onto the floor. But since I took all the kite gear out, the cupboard is a little lighter, and something obviously caught it, blew it, and it fell over at that angle and it smashed all the bottom up. Luckily it's all coming out anyway as part of the new project to rebuild the garage, so I'm going to try and get that out of there.